Hi guys, this is a trip adventure. We will see waterfall and also Rafflesia flower. Hopefully, it is a blooming. Let's go with me.
We started our trip on a sunny day with a mission to see the waterfalls and Rafflesia flowers. We arrived at the first waterfall, and Sarasah has 12 levels, each of them having a different vibes. The way to get there is so challenging. It needs strength and power. Even so, our mission needed to be complete, so we kept going.
So we are between the second waterfall. Yeah, that one is the third waterfall. That is fourth waterfall, and the next one is the fifth waterfall.
Along the way, we saw many interesting plants such as yellow orchid, mushrooms, rhizosis flower, and many other plants. The sound of hornbills also accompanied our trip. At the seventh Sarasah, with its incredible view, we were starving. We decided to have a lunch there. Among the lusa trees, top of hills, we could see the beauty of a Lake Maninjau. Luckily, we had a best guide who helped us in every condition. Our tour guide helped us to avoid pollution plantation like a nettle, dense bushes, and steep path. He can prepare with the ropes and bring our supplies. After a 5 hours climb up the hill, we saw the Rafflesia flowers. We were a little bit late because the Rafflesia had already died.
You can look that. So hi guys, we are in the middle of the jungle. You can look here. This is a Rafflesia flower. Not blooming right now, but yeah.
Even though we found 2 flowers that had not bloomed yet, it will take another 1 or 2 months to bloom depending on the weather. At the 3 p.m., we need to start our descent. On the way back home, with the sky obscured by a leaf, it started to get cloudy, which worried us because we were lying on the natural light.
Hi, it's a little bit raining, but hopefully that we will go down so fast and yeah, everything will be okay. We did it!
We went back at the first waterfall, then saw the sun reappear, which warmed our hearts. Then this trip ended with a plate of soto from my mom.
See you in the next adventure and bye bye!